After talking about the methods to protect content of the documents viewed online, we will speak about PDF encryption practices to protect content of the actual file, which is important to consider since files are processed and downloaded. PDF encryption methods documented in PDF specifications follow the PDF standards. Depending on the PDF version, you'll be able to select between two different types of algorithms. Versions up to 1.5 support different key lengths of RC4. Starting with PDF version 1.6, Advanced Encryption Standard is supported to provide users with more complex and secured encryption methods. Two types of passwords may be set to encrypt a PDF. Owner password will allow unrestricted access to the document. User password will provide access to document viewing as well as allowing you to specify what operations may be applied to a document, such as printing to disable document printing, content copying to disable content copy, document assembly to avoid document changes within a document organization, split, add new pages, merge, etc. Commenting to disable document notes and annotations, form fields filling to protect document form fields from filling, modifications to disable document editing. Let's now see how document encryption works with DocuVieware. I've extended the initial application by adding custom snap-in to DocuVieware interface. Added two text fields for user and owner passwords and two checkboxes to enable PDF print and selected content copy. Let's make some modifications by adding stamp annotation. Now let's encrypt PDF and store it server-side. DocuVieware processes files server-side, which helps to mitigate the risk related to client-side document access. To send encryption settings server-side, I've created corresponding function with additional encryption setting to match parameters of server-side method. Server-side, we subscribe corresponding method to a delegate and save rendered document to the file using the setting we have received from the client. The user will only be able to copy and print the document. All other features are disabled. Now let's open the process document and look at security settings. You see the file is encrypted and the user is able to print and copy document content. We have reviewed document content protection methods related to PDF encryption. Next time we'll be talking about document versioning. Find out more about PDF during the PDF Days in Toulouse. Stay in touch with us and thank you for watching.